Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are diving into a fantastic real-world example of using just a little bit of AI to solve a huge modern-day headache, the absolute chaos of school emails.
Okay, if you're a parent, this screen right here probably hits a little too close to home. You know the feeling, right? The constant pings, that endless stream of updates, permission slips, reminders. It's like a digital flood, and it just never stops.
And this is a direct quote from a parent who was right there in the middle of that flood. But instead of just trying to tread water, they decided to build themselves a kind of automated lifeboat. And this is that story.
All right, so let's really dive in and get a handle on the sheer scale of this problem, because when you break it all down, it is so easy to see how one parent could feel so completely overwhelmed.
Just think about the math on this for a second. You've got one parent, 3 kids, and they're spread across different schools. Now, each one of those kids has, 6 or 7 different teachers, and every single one of those teachers is sending out multiple emails a week. It's this giant communication web that just gets tangled up so fast.
So all of that, it adds up to over 30 separate emails hitting your inbox every single week. And each one of those requires you to stop what you're doing, read it, figure out if you need to take action, and then somehow try to remember it. I mean, it's basically a part-time job that most parents definitely never signed up for. So, faced with this constant barrage, the parent came up with this really powerful idea. They thought, what if instead of reacting to every single email as it comes in, you could just consolidate them all into one single manageable touchpoint?
And the goal was just beautifully simple. Transform that chaotic, nonstop flow of information into a single, comprehensive summary that gets delivered just once a day. That's it. No more constant notifications, just focused information right when you need it.
So the big question is, how did they actually pull this off? Let's get into the mechanics of this little personal AI assistant, and you'll see it's probably a lot simpler than you might think. The entire system really just boils down to 3 key actions. First, all the school emails get funneled into one dedicated inbox. Easy enough? Second, an automation tool kicks in once a day to process whatever's landed in there. And then third, this is the magic part, the AI does the heavy lifting. It reads everything and pulls out only what's actually important. Now, this is where it gets really, really clever. The AI isn't just, mashing a bunch of emails together. No, it's acting like a real assistant. It's intelligently reading the content to figure out, okay, what needs a signature, what's due tomorrow, and what's just a general FYI. It actually prioritizes everything for you.
So, what's the end result of all this? What's the impact? Well, it builds from this simple idea into something that genuinely changes the daily routine and honestly just restores a sense of control.
And this slide just illustrates that transformation perfectly. You go from dozens of emails and constant pings to one single calm digest. That mental load of trying to sort what's urgent from what's not is just lifted. It turns that feeling of information overload into genuine peace of mind.
And here's a crucial point. This isn't just about one person's inbox getting cleaned up. The final summary email gets sent to both parents. This ensures everyone is on the same page, everyone knows what's important, and nothing falls through the cracks. It's a communication win for the whole family.
What I love about this story is that it's actually bigger than just school emails. It's a template, really. It's a way of thinking about how a little bit of automation can solve all sorts of those little daily frustrations we all have.
And that brings us to the final question, the one I want you to take away from this explainer. Just take a second and look at your own daily life. All those repetitive tasks, the areas where you feel that information overload. What's your version of the school email avalanche? And how could a simple automated workflow bring a little more order to your chaos?
This entire explainer was inspired by the really creative solutions found over at AI for Daily Living. It's just a great example of how these new tools can be applied to everyday problems, giving us back our time and our focus. Thanks so much for watching.